The key difference between the Bell Home Hub 4000 and 3000 lies in their Wi-Fi technology. The Home Hub 3000 supports Wi-Fi 6 using the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands for wireless connectivity. The Home Hub 4000 supports Wi-Fi 6E, which adds the 6 GHz band for additional capacity and reduced interference. This makes the 4000 better for modern, device-heavy homes, providing faster speeds and less interference. Both the Home Hub 3000 and 4000 offer mesh networking capabilities, allowing multiple devices to work together for better coverage. However, the 4000 includes additional advanced features that the 3000 lacks. The 4000 adds Wi-Fi 6E for reduced interference and faster speeds on the 6 GHz band. It also includes a 2.5 Gbps Ethernet port for high-speed wired connections, plus integrated Alexa support for voice control. The 3000 lacks these extras, making the 4000 more future-proof. In homes with many devices streaming, gaming, and browsing, the Home Hub 4000 shines. Tests show it maintains higher speeds and lower latency compared to the 3000. For example, in a smart home setup with 25 IoT devices, the 4000 can maintain stable speeds of 800 Mbps, whereas the 3000 may drop to 500 Mbps. The Home Hub 4000 features a more powerful quad-core 2.2 GHz processor, while the 3000 uses a dual-core 1.8 GHz processor. This processing power contributes to the 4000's ability to handle multiple devices and demanding applications more efficiently. Wi-Fi 6E introduces the 6 GHz frequency band, which provides a cleaner wireless environment compared to the more crowded 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. The 6 GHz band offers 1.2 GHz of additional spectrum, with 59 non-overlapping 20 MHz channels, reducing interference from neighboring networks and devices. In dense urban areas or apartment complexes, this translates to faster speeds and more reliable connections, as the 6 GHz band avoids the congestion that plagues older Wi-Fi standards.